Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your profile on the Bumble dating application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bumble dating application on your device. And once you open it up, proceed forward with logging into your account using your social accounts or your phone number if you haven't done so already. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, you will find various different profiles that you can swipe right or left on. Now, if you wish to edit your profile, tap on the Profile tab at the bottom left corner and then tap on your current profile picture. You can then tap on the Edit Profile button and now you will be taken into your profile edit menu. You can edit your photos and videos by simply tapping on them and deleting the ones that you don't want and then uploading the ones that you like to change into by tapping on the plus icon. You can verify your profile if you haven't done so already by tapping on the Verify My Profile option. You can also add your specific interests and your causes as well as your communities. Choose the qualities that you value from the Qualities section, and you can also add various different prompts that can help you open up conversation. You can also choose your opening move and enter a bio about you within the bio section. You may also include your work, your education, your location preferences, as well as your hometown. Within the gender section, you can simply tap on the menu and choose whichever option you would like to set it as, and also whether you would like it to be shown on your profile. You can also enter your physical information such as your height and also your various different habits, as well as your beliefs. You can add various languages that you speak within the language section, and you may also connect your Instagram as well as Spotify account if you wish to do so. Once you have completed your profile, it will be saved right away and the changes will be immediate. And now anyone who comes across your profile will be able to see the updated profile. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to edit your profile on the Bumble dating application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.